keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hey, Colorado Springs, are you tired of watching your home insurance rates go up, up, and up? Me too. I'm Laura Nicole, your host of 11 Connects, and I'm here today with our favorite realtor, Marquesa Hobbs of the Platinum Real Estate Group. Thanks for being with me to talk about this really annoying thing that keeps happening with our insurance rates that keep going up. What is going on?
And what you're saying, I get calls on this all the time. So homeowners insurance is a really important piece of the whole cost of owning a home. You don't want to not have insurance. People are noticing that their rates are going up, and this is happening nationwide, but also in Colorado. So Colorado specifically, one of the biggest factors is things that we cannot control, which is nature. So here we have a lot of hail, we have wind, and we also are at natural fire risk. So in fact, in Colorado, and this is going to scare some people, but we are number 2 in the country for hail claims and number 3 in the country for wildfire risk. So what that does is insurance companies do need to have enough money to pay out these claims. So they do need to increase what they're charging. And then also you have the increased price of materials and services and the increased charge for labors. So they do need to find a way to recoup what they are paying out on claims.
Yeah, I feel like it's one of the costs that we pay for being in this beautiful city, beautiful surroundings, the wind, the hail, the fire, but we generally make do. But it's something that I think can surprise us. You know, for me, it definitely was surprising to see, oh, goes into my escrow and now my mortgage is going up and all of these things, but you can really help your clients determine maybe not just which home they like the most and is the prettiest, but also what can come in on budget for them to make sure they're insured adequately, right?
Absolutely. You want to make sure your home has definitely proper insurance, and make sure you're not paying for things you really don't need. So what I like people to do is what I would call an audit. So once a year, talk to whoever your homeowners who's carrying your policy, go through what you have, understand your premium, your deductible, exactly what's insured and what's not. And there might be some things that you can cut out, and there might be some things that you need to add. And then what I like you to do is call a couple other carriers, because you might not be at the best one for you. So if you're a homeowner, everybody should do that. And when I'm working with a client who's buying a home, same thing. Check with a couple different carriers and compare apples to apples. Make sure you understand your policy and that you're working with a company that will take the time to explain it to you well.
This year was the first year I've really done that, because I bought a couple years ago and didn't really have time. When you're in the middle of buying a house, you're doing all the other things. And this was the first time I got to go through it and really make sure I understood every line item, and it was so helpful. It saved me a couple $1,000s.
Absolutely. It pays to take the time to understand. So you do want to work with an insurance company that's going to explain it to you well.
Yeah, and you have not just, I'm sure you have resources for this, for insurance for us, but all kinds of resources for your clients, right?
Absolutely. What I like to do is be a hub of information for my clients, the people I serve. So I put together this resource directory that I update, and it has everything they would need: home-related electricians, plumbers, what to do with hazardous materials, how to winterize your home, how to get ready for spring. So provide this to all my clients, and if anyone's interested in it, they can just text or call me. I'm happy to share the information.
Awesome. Well, thanks for always being there for us. If you're looking to buy or sell or have questions on your home and need some resources, don't hesitate to reach out to Marquesa. You can text her at the number on the bottom of your screen. She always answers, and we'll get back to you on where you can pick one of these up. Super handy. Thanks for always being a resource for me too, and being here to teach us more about being great homeowners.
My pleasure. Thank you.